name?
Sundaram,
Coming from?
coming from Bangalore.
So how you came to know about our center?
I came to know about acupuncture, of course. I've been reading about it. And I met some doctors in Bangalore, but I never went for any treatment. I was just discussing because I was not very convinced about acupuncture itself. And I was a bit skeptical of the whole thing. But when I came here, I heard about you from somebody in the hotel in Siddharth had told me. And I got your phone number, I came here. To be honest,
What is your problem actually?
I was not very convinced when I came here. So the problem is that on the knee, I have been having a problem on the knee for a long time because I was doing a lot of jogging and I was doing a lot of tennis and activities, and the cartilage the orthopedic doctors told me the cartilage is worn out totally and there's not much you can do. You can do a surgery or replacement and so on, but essentially it is something in which we cannot do any improvement. So I am very fond of exercise, activity, walking, and I was finding it was kind of cutting short my activities. So I wanted to give a trial to acupuncture as another way if it can help. And then I came to you, and as I said before, I was very skeptical, but I said let me try, we don't lose anything. And I started. The first day, second day I felt some improvement, but I felt it was psychological. Right? I didn't think it was physiological. I felt it was psychological, and I said let me see. But gradually, over the last 10 days I have been having treatment. I definitely found improvement, and in fact I am walking on the beach every day. Of course not very strenuously, but with a little bit of regular way, and I find my walking is much better. I used to get up at night due to pain in the knee, but now I find I sleep better. So there's definitely improvement, and I'm going to come again next month and continue this treatment because I'm very positive about the whole thing. I wish...
because we have used for you special long needle therapy.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes. I
that
think it
works
has
very
been
fast.
working very fast, and I only wish that more people know about these problems and these solutions you have, because very few people know and fewer people believe. Some people believe, although they are skeptical, and but let me get through the treatment course, and definitely I will try my best to support this cause of acupuncture, because I think it is a solution needed by so many in our country, with this orthopedic problems being on the rise. So you're doing good work, doctor, so God bless you.
Okay. How you found the atmosphere about in our center?
Atmosphere is very good. The girls are very friendly. They are very coming on time. They are very punctual. And what I like is about the whole professional treatment here. Everything is very systematic. And if somebody is coming on a planned schedule, you can keep your schedule and do your other work also. So it's really good. It's very, very effective.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.